Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Garden, and I'm just showing you a couple of problems I'm having with just a couple of my trees. This right here is a loquat tree, and the problems I seem to have as we're going toward the cooler months is this right here. See these little bugs right here? I forgot what they are, but I have them every time I'm going toward the winter months, and they only attack the newer leaves. So if you see the regular green leaves, they don't attack them because they're nice and strong. But when it comes to these new ones, let me show you another example. Here's an example of a new one. As you see. So what's happening is I ran around, and I usually just go ahead and, because I go through this every year, I clip the newer ones so the rest of the tree does not get disease, and I let it just come back out in the springtime when I don't have the problem anymore. So that's how I've been handling this loquat tree, which is 3 years old, and it's not stopping the growth. I also had the same problem with my guava tree. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my pink guava, and I was having a lot of trouble with the new growth as far as bugs trying to attack. And I got most of it under control. I can see a little bit right here where you can see that problem, but most of it's been gotten under control. And what I did was cut the new growth off, right? And I'll come back and watch the tree. If the new growth doesn't have it, you can continue on. So I had cut this tree all the way down to here. I mean, all the way down the main part. It was only one piece, and it grew back, right? So I don't like to use sprays or anything, okay, because that's going to obviously cost me money, and it's something that I can't continue. And it's just not, it wouldn't be realistic or cost efficient to constantly be running around here spraying trees. So my thing is I try to spray off with the water, blast the those bugs off of there. And if I can't blast the bugs off of there, I go ahead and cut the leaf off, because hey, a leaf will grow back, and this way I've saved the tree. And so far, that's been working for me, because look at the tree. If this camera could go ahead and go into focus, I'm not understanding why it's doing that. But, okay, let me show you the tree that I was having problems with. Okay, so this is my Mexican guava. And this is the tree I was having problems with. Yesterday, I came out and I blasted it with water. So I didn't cut any of the new growth yet. I decided, let me go ahead and try to blast with water. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to check the leaves today. And I'm going to see how much it works. And whichever leaf has this on there, it's going to go ahead and be gone. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the leaf. I'm going to do like I do with the rest of my guava trees. I have a total of five guava trees. And any of my trees that get attacked, I just go ahead and just cut whatever area that's already been attacked versus spraying. Like I said, for me, I'm not going to be spraying trees. It's not cost efficient for me. And the trees will start relying on every time it gets attacked for me to come around and spray it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the leaves off. I'm going to go ahead and snap those leaves off. And they'll grow back in the spring. And I give the tree, you know, a better chance of being nice and healthy when springtime comes. So, just bringing you this little video about some of the problems you have with fruit tree garden. And this is how I handle mine. Now, other people may handle theirs differently. As I said, I had already blasted it with water. It had some of the bugs off, some of them didn't. And every leaf doesn't have it. I usually had the problem with the newer leaves when it's coming to cooler temperatures. So to me, newer leaves don't have to be there, and they can come back out in the spring when they'll become nice and strong. Okay, so that's what I do. And no, it does not stop my tree from growing, because I had little, if you look at my previous videos, they were very, very tiny, and they're getting very large. So what I'm doing is saving it. That's the way I like to save them. I do not like spraying and all that other stuff. I just don't feel like being bothered with it, because I am not going to continue, as I have fruit trees for the rest of my life, buying sprays. So I'm not going to be bothered with that. I'm just going to do it this way, and life will go on. So hopefully you have an enjoyable day. And make sure you do your research when you're doing your fruit trees. Everybody's going to do theirs different. To me, there's no perfect way of gardening. We just live and learn, right? And as long as we grow. Hopefully you have enjoying the rest of your day. Goodbye.